Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain how to file an ITR for the people who are opting new tax regime. If you already registered, use PAN card or Aadhaar card or user ID to get login. I'm using PAN card. I'm entering the PAN card ID. After entering in, I'm clicking on continue. On this page we can see the secure access message login, and we have to select it to make sure that the message is correct, and when we have to enter the password and click on continue. We are landing into income tax return page. We need to opt 2026-2027 current year, and we need to click on online. Navigate it to income tax start filing new page, and after this we need to select the status of applicable for proceed further. We need to click on proceed to individual filing, and here in this page we need to select ITR 1 and click on proceed with ITR 1. We get a pop-up like this. We need to click on OK, and we need to do let's get started. After this we need to select others options and click continue and click on OK in the pop-up, and we are landed to return summary page. You can see all the details which need to be completed before submitting. Let's get started clicking on personal information. You can see all users personal information here, and if you scroll down you can see the nature of employment that need to be filled. Here we are selecting nature of employment as others, and if you come to filing section you can see with 139 we need to make sure that 139 option is selected. If you scroll down you can see the no for opting a new regime. By selecting this option, your income and income tax computation shall be as per the new tax regime, so we need to select the option as no here. The reason we are selecting no here because our salary is less than 12 lakh or 15 lakh as per the government rules. And if we scroll down we can see whether this return is filed by a representative or assessee. I'm selecting as an option no because I'm only filling the all my income tax details. And if you scroll down you can see after selecting it you can see bank details. In the bank details we need to check whether the provided bank details is correct or not, and we need to, after confirming it, we need to click confirm. Next we going to move to gross total income. We landed into gross total income page. We need to cross check with these data populated here with the form 16. If you see the form 16 data, keep the this form beside you so that you can cross check with the populated data present in the gross total income and click confirm if it is correct. After this we are moving into the total deduction page. You just need to cross check all this information and click confirm, and then we going to move to tax paid. It is showing 0 because our salary is less than 12 lakh to 15 lakh, and cross check we are paying 0 amount and click confirm. You need to verify that amount need to be paid is 0, then we need to click confirm. And finally we need to verify your tax liability details. You need to cross check all this information correctly before submitting it, and cross check from top to bottom and click confirm and proceed to verification. You can see all the data you filled from all the return summary in one page, and verify all the details are correct or not, and preview and submit your data. Return, click on it. After this you will be seeing your consent to confirm your provided details are correct or not, and provide the correct details and select the checkbox option. Provide the place where you are filling your ITR. Then if the information is correct, entered information, click on proceed to validation. You can see pop-up message validation successful. Click on preview. If every information is correct in the preview displayed, click on proceed to validation. You can see one more pop-up validation successful. Now click on proceed to verification. Here you need to select the one option that is e-verify now. Click on it, the continue to get the OTP to the bank registered or PAN card or Aadhaar card registered account. Click on it. Now you need to select I would like to verify the OTP with my mobile. Here you need to select I agree to validate my Aadhaar card details, generate Aadhaar OTP, and wait for the OTP to your mobile number. Enter the OTP details here and click on validate. Once you validate the OTP, it will be submitted, and you will be seeing the message submitted successfully, and you can see the message you have successfully filed a verified return. You can download the receipt and cross check all the informations that you provided is correct or not. It will be downloaded into a local system. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.